What if you could make $100 per day? Even better, what if I show you how to make $200 per day? Would you be interested? Is that what you want to learn? Now I'm going to show you in this video how to set everything up. I'm going to give you the websites that you need to go and how you could crush this as well. So if you're ready for this, grab a pen, get paper, take some notes, because the websites that I'm going to share with you is going to be brand new, because I know I haven't brought this to your attention, because only the super affiliates really use these websites. And if you really want to take things to the next level and make $200, $500 a day, $1,000 a day, you want to watch this video. So let's get it. So as mentioned, $200 per day over and over with less than like an hour work. So this is a website that is called buysellads.com. So what you could do, you could buy ads on here and you could scale your business to the moon. That's right. You can make a ton of money just by placing ads on various different websites all over the internet, and people buy them. So when you go onto Google, for example, you go to Google and let's say you read in a blog post. So we're going to go with health blogging. And when we go to health blogging, all right, health, this is a blog, how to start a blog, not what we're looking for, but I'm just sharing with you some of the ads that we're going to be running on these websites. For example, this right here. If you look at this, this is an ad. Let me show you another one. I'm going to go to another website. So let's go to Google. And we're going to be typing. I'm doing this live right now so you could see it. This is not scripted or anything. I'm just going straight into it. So if I type in help blogs, I type in help blogs, you're going to see a lot of different blogs pop up. So for example, best healthy living blogs of 2020. If you look on the right hand side over here, this is an ad. So you see advertisements. Here's another one, ads, ads, ads. Here's an ad, here's an ad. Now, what this website does, this website will place your ads on these blogs. So when people are reading these blogs, you get a ton of impressions on here. Guess what? They're going to buy, because people buy from these over and over again. You have a very, very good thumbnail, just like this, 13, and a good headline, and you're good to go, because these websites are going to place your ads on these different websites. So they tell you all the different websites that they have available that you can promote. There's all things Apple, beauty, fashion, cryptocurrency, entertainment, food, drinks, government, politics, all that. So what we're going to be doing, we want to see, a particular website, how well it's doing. So we're going to go over to, of course, Clickbank. And this can be done with various different websites, not just Clickbank, but for this one, I'm going to be using Clickbank. So you can always type in alternative of Clickbank if you can't get an account with Clickbank. So I'm going to go with the health. And this particular product right now, it's going through the roof. I've spoken about this when it just came out, and they were having about like 100 gravity score. Now look at it, over 810 gravity score. That means over 810 different affiliates have sold this product. And every time people buy, guess what? It's $100. So 2 sales, $200 right away. So if you want to look at their affiliate stuff and you want to sign up, you can contact Jackie. So you can click on this and it's going to open up. It's going to open up just like this. So you can generate a hop link by, I don't normally use main stuff. I always go with, especially if it's on Google or Bing or any search engine, I don't like to go for videos. I like to go for the landing pages that have a lot of text. So even if they have a video on there, I go for, the texting. So We're gonna generate this hop link. We're gonna take this and we're going to head on over to, we're gonna go right here. So this is the original one. So there's a picture smiling. Try this over 80% off right here. One bottle, three bottles, six bottles. We're gonna come down here. You see all this. So it's nice. People like to read these type of stuff and they like to see prices, frequently asked questions. So when it comes to search engine optimization, you want to always go for something that people are going to read. People like to binge, people like to read, and that's what, that's the most thing that work on this particular website. So stay with me here, right? So when you come down here, you have all things beauty. Now we're going to go over here where it says we're going to find a particular website that is going to send traffic directly, and it's all about health. So if you look here, you see family, parenting, home, agricultural, podcast, visualizing. There's nothing pertaining to health, but there's always beauty and fashion. So beauty and fashion is always a good one. That requires, you know, it's kind of like the same food, entertainment, family, parenting. I wouldn't put it in here. You can always try though, but let me see, publication health. There's got to be something about health. So health, search for health. All right. So there's health. These are some of the, so there's live optimization. So they show you how many people, monthly impressions per websites. This has 5.2 million people. This have 2.2. There's 3. This is 50,000 and all that. So there's different websites that has different amount of um, impressions. So there's 72. There's local harvesting. This one is live optimizing. And you can always go to their website. So if you want to click on this particular website just to see what it look like, would this be something that you want to promote? So you look on here. This is where the ad would go. That's something. And then when you click on this, you will see another section where the ads, they pop up. There's an ad right there. Right? Is that something that you want to do? Again, you always want to double check to see if this website looks like it's clean. So $39 for 30 days. So top right slide bar, you get 44,000 estimated impressions, 6 of 6 available spots, and it's $39. So this is a website that, $39 for 30 days. Just imagine if you spend $39 in 30 days and you can make out of this, let's say you make a sale a day, or let's say even if you make one sale for the month, you're not losing money, give or take. Let's just say that you spend $39, you make $102. Okay, you subtract 39 from 102, and you're left with 60 something bucks, or even 59. Yeah, 102. Yeah, 60 something, 61 or so. But you get the idea. If you look, this is not bad. They have subscribers, there's followers. The channel is business and finance. I'm not quite sure if that would work in business financing. It says health. I type in health, but there's no health coming up. But there's crypto, entertainment, food and drinks. As I mentioned before, there's weddings. Okay, let's see here. Advertisers over here. All right. I'm going to log in again. Let me just log in real quick. Okay, so I'm log in. I'm going to go to marketplace. Great. So if you only come here, you'll see business, finances, automotive, education. So if it has to relate with health, and I'm doing this live, as you could see, I would go with anywhere particular to, I wouldn't go with travel. I wouldn't go to wedding because it's more of a sleeping. It keeps, you lose weight and you also sleep. So beauty and fashion is always a good thing. So I'll click on here. Long hair, hair cream. No. Let's go with food and drink. Yes. Better living. All right, there we go. Super cooking. This always go together. Super cooking recipe, better living. This is 890,000 per month impressions, 255. So let's see what's going on with better living. All right, if you look at this, it is available right here, available, and they're looking for 300 to 250 middle. So we're going to look at the website. We always want to take a look at the website. All right, so look at this. There's a lot of action going on over here. So they said in the middle, so it's got to be somewhere over here. All right, there it is. They're on Pinterest, Pinterest, Pinterest. Yep, I like this. This website is clean, it's sleek. I'll definitely advertise on this. So when you come here, cost per impression. So this is cost per right? Okay, let's see. So if you look at this, right? This is what it would cost you per month. Now, if you want to change it down, if you do it for 130,000 impressions, you can change it to, okay, this ad zones receive 250 per, you are purchasing 200 because of this, it made difficult to see your ad. So $100 for 30 days, they're saying it's going to be difficult to see your ads. Let's go with 50. 50, $187. So even if you spend $187.50, if you spend that, you get 200, you make 2 sales a day. I know with 50,000 impressions, that is not really a whole lot, but it's a lot for you to make your money back and some on top of what you spent. So that's all you have to do is, because sometimes I run like 50, 100, I run, I run 50, I run like 500, because when you're cranking out these type of things, you want to make sure that they're in front of the people. As soon as they see it, they buy it. Now, do keep in mind that results aren't typical. You'll make money and you probably won't make any money. So just so you know, this is business. And with business comes with risk. So all this payment method and everything, once you do that, you can upload your creatives. And if you don't have any, you could just screenshot this bottle right here. Research, just put it up. Or you can, you know, screenshot something out of this. Screenshot one of this. You can go on Fiverr, you can create something on your own as well. And then you could do that. And then you do checkout, you put it on up. They're going to make sure that it's something that is legit, verified, and then boom, you let the ads run. And let it run for 30 days. It's going to run for 30 days. And after the 30 days, you make some sale, man. That's how it is. You put it up, you set it that way, and that's how you're going to crush it. So this is what the super affiliates do. You got to put money in to make money. Right? And if you don't have any money, then you can head on over to YouTube and create videos around research. All right, just like this guy. So if you go on research, research supplement. You look right here, see that? All these people are making research, 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 research. So that's all you have to do. Do the research and just put it up and then you're good to go. So that will be the free way if you're not down to do some payment. So I hope this video helped. Like, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. It's late at night. You know how it is. Peace out.